Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon. Nandito kami ngayon sa isa naming project dito sa may North Caloocan. Bali, nag-electromechanical works kami dito. Yan, nag-plumbing and electrical. So, sa mga gustong magpagawa ng swimming pool guys, visit our page, Dr. Swimming Pool. Pwede kami swimming pool construction, renovation, maintenance, then electromechanical, consultant. Yan. Sa mga gusto magpagawa, mag-message lang po sa video na i-upload ko. Yan. Thank you very much guys. Have a nice day. Yan. So kompleto yan guys. May falls, may fountain, may jacuzzi.